Hey guys, welcome to the Bearded Nanny Goat Farm located in Roaring Spring, PA. These are my dad's high school friends, Missy and Tom Miller, and they were kind enough to show us their farm and what they do. This is Jazzy, aka Jasmine. There's Jimmy the head rooster. And of course, since the farm's called Bearded Nanny, they have to have some beards. Have to. Now the babies are so stinking adorable. I just wanted to hold them so much. Here's the old daddy goats out here chillaxing in the sun.
He is very handsome.
Meet Rocky and Butterscotch.
Yes.
Butterscotch looks exactly like my bunny Bert. After meeting Missy and Tom's bearded family, we headed up to their pavilion and got prepared to make goat soap. Well, our place is small here.
I can burn some of the milk, but it's sitting right against. So that's
Now, Mr. Tom was walking us through the whole process, showing us before we get to make it. And there's lots of different ingredients to add to it, so it's just right.
Hey guys, as you can see, I am mixing here, and we all got a turn to mix, which it was really fun. And up here, we got to pick our choice in flavor, and it's called
Oh, it smells
pumpkin
good, you guys.
spice.
You smell that?
Hey guys, Paisley here.
We are pouring in the mold, which was really fun to watch. It was satisfying us. And so we're pouring it in, shaking it around, shake. And then we also made our own design so we know which one is ours. So, yeah.
Circular. Say it again.
Now we have to let the soap settle in the mold. And here's the finished product.
Goat time! Woohoo!
Are they trying to ram that out with you guys? Hey, buddy. Hey.
Meet Freckles the donkey. He ended up getting jealous at us, so we had to share some love.
Missy and Tom, it was so good reconnecting with you guys. You have such a beautiful farm and a beautiful business.
Of course, we all loved holding and cuddling the sweet baby goats and learning the process of making soap. But what we especially loved was your full faith in the Lord and how He has led you to the Bearded Nanny Goat Milk Creation business. The fact that your soap helps cancer patients and those with skin allergies is truly amazing. May God continue to bless you both.